Hi, I'm Dr. Ayda Başgül Martin. After this video, I guarantee you will able to name and locate the endocrine glands on anatomical models and explain their functions. In this model, you can able to locate hypothalamus, a triangle zone, pituitary gland, and pineal gland. Pineal gland is a pine cone shaped tiny midline structure located between the two cerebral hemispheres. Pineal gland or epiphysis secretes melatonin, which plays a role in the body's internal clock. Pineal gland, subject to many speculation and myth, in the 17th century, French philosopher René Descartes thought the soul was located in the pineal gland. Hypothalamus, located in diencephalon, lies just below the thalamus and above the pituitary gland. Hypothalamus is part of the limbic system. It's an organ of nervous system and links the nervous system to the endocrine system. Hypothalamus produce many hormones, such as releasing hormones, gonadotropin releasing hormone, thyroid releasing hormone, and etc. And as well as ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin release through the pituitary gland, posterior part of the pituitary gland. And pituitary gland is very important organ. It's a size of the P-shape, P-size organ. Pituitary gland located just below the hypothalamus and attached to hypothalamus with a stalk and produce and secrete growth hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin, and follicle stimulant hormone and luteinizing hormone. Just to repeat it, growth hormone, thyroid stimulant hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin, and gonadotropins, which is FSH and LH, we call gonadotropins. And pituitary gland control growth, blood pressure, and many other endocrine glands functions. In this video, you can see the hypothalamus labeled with 18 and pituitary gland 11, and number 10 is showing the epiphysis. Thyroid gland, again, it's labeled with the blue circle, located in the anterior neck, anterior to trachea or windpipe, and below the larynx, voice box. Thyroid gland has effect on metabolism, basal metabolic rate, heat production, growth, and blood calcium and phosphorus levels because of the production of T3, T4, and calcitonin hormones. Parathyroid glands, those four tiny rice grain size glands, produce parathyroid hormone, has an effect on the calcium and phosphorus metabolism. And thymus on the left, you're seeing, produce thymosins, which they are responsible to maturation of the T lymphocytes. That's why thymus at the same time belong to lymphoid organ system as well. Pancreas. Pancreas located in the superior portion of the abdomen, just behind the stomach, and lies between duodenum and spleen under the liver. It has helped digestion and control the blood sugar. It is not only organ of endocrine but digestive system as well. Produce glucagon, insulin, and somatostatin as hormones, as well as produce digestive juices or digestive enzymes. Adrenal glands, also known as suprarenal glands, are small triangular shaped glands located on top of both kidneys. Adrenal glands produce hormones. From the adrenal cortex, cortisol, aldosterone, and androgen produced. From the adrenal medulla, which represented with the orange triangle in the middle of the yellow triangle, produced adrenaline and noradrenaline, also known as epinephrine and norepinephrine. With these hormones, Adrenal glands help regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential functions. Testicles or testes are oval-shaped organs located in the scrotum, just behind the penis and right in front of the anus on male, and produce male sex cell sperm and testosterone hormone. It's necessary for reproduction and secondary sex characteristic of the male. Ovaries are paired organs, just as testes and adrenal glands. Ovary is located in the pelvic cavity on either side of the uterus, within the broad ligament below the uterine or fallopian tubes. The ovaries are responsible for housing and releasing the female sex cell ova or eggs necessary for reproduction and produce estrogen and progesterone. In this model, you can see some of the endocrine glands that we talked about. If you learned and enjoyed it, make sure to click like and subscribe buttons below or leave a comment. Have a good day.